Ladies and gentlemen, we are all familiar with the challenges facing nature. It's why Europe adopted a new strategy to protect its nature and put species and habitats on the path of recovery. The goal is to protect at least 30% of our lands and seas by 2030, with strict protection for at least 1/3 of those areas. We want to halt the degradation of species and habitats protected by the nature directives and reverse the trend for at least 30% of species and habitats in unfavorable status. In this regard, I would urge the Netherlands to submit its pledges towards these objectives before the end of the year. To reach these goals in a densely populated state like the Netherlands, where competition for space and resources is high, it will be vital to mainstream nature in a wide variety of policies. So the nature inclusive agenda is clearly a step in the right direction. The key will be ensuring that all the major pressures are addressed. The nitrogen reduction plans presented by the Dutch government last week is a brave first step. It indicates how much needs to be done and that it won't be easy, but now at least it gives a clear direction. EU money and national money is available to help in this transition. One should never forget that the first and main benefits of the reforms will be agricultural land and the agriculture sector towards a sustainable future. Protecting nature is vital, but it can only take us so far. We also need to repair the damage we have done. That's why the Commission is about to propose a new law on nature restoration. It will come with ambitious, binding targets to improve the condition of nature. More biodiverse agricultural land, for example, is more resilient to climate change. And that will be essential for food security as we look to the longer term. An ambitious new law will send a powerful message to our international partners. In the negotiations on a new global framework for protecting biodiversity, it will show the EU leading by example. But its success will depend on a whole of society approach, on the commitment and involvement of stakeholders at all levels. Farmers and landowners, local communities, civil society organizations, investors, and of course, at all levels of government. We won't save biodiversity with good intentions, but we can save our nature with a truly concerted effort, an effort with everyone on board. That is the future our nature needs. Thank you.